अश्मित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल डांसर्स इन स्टाइल।
आज की जो वीडियो है वो थोड़ी स्पेशल है, थोड़ी यूनिक है क्योंकि
इसमें हम कॉल करने वाले हैं एक फैशन डिज़ाइनर को।
मतलब हमने उनसे इंस्टाग्राम पे बात की है एंड उनके डिज़ाइंस देखे एंड वी बीन सो मेस्मराइज्ड विद हिज डिज़ाइंस दैट वी थॉट कि हम उनको जूम कॉल करेंगे एंड विल चैट विद हिम, उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे एंड शेयर हिज थॉट्स विद यू गाइस टू।
तो जो भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं कभी कभार किसी डिज़ाइन को लेके, किसी फैब्रिक को लेके या किसी आउटफिट को लेके, सो विल बी आस्किंग ऐसे क्वेरीज टू देम एंड सीइंग कि यू नो व्हाट्स इन द माइंड ऑफ अ फैशन डिज़ाइनर,
बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ अस वंडर कि क्या सोचते हैं लोग डिज़ाइन करने से पहले
और इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से लाते हैं।
We're gonna call him. Hi Shubham.
Hi Shubham.
Hi Ashmit. Hi Garima.
Hi. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. What about you?
हम भी ठीक है, बस गर्मी बहुत है यार।
Yes,
we have
yes.
some questions that हमने बनाए थे for you, and we'll ask you
Yes.
these regarding जो भी outfit से related questions होते हैं,
Sure.
fashion designing से। So please tell us something about yourself. कहाँ से inspiration मिली fashion designing को pursue करने के लिए? और
So basically, I'm a design student and I'm pursuing BBA in fashion entrepreneurship from International College of Fashion. And when I was in 11th standard, I used to make sketches and just, like making something with the leftover fabric. So then I decided to become in this field and I wanted to become a fashion designer then.
मतलब फैमिली में भी कोई था जो इंटरेस्टेड था कपड़ों में और इन सब में?
मेरी फैमिली में सारे कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड से हैं सारे। इनफैक्ट मैंने भी कॉमर्स ली थी 11th-12th में।
अच्छा, और 11th-12th में यू डिड स्केचिंग, तो फिर पेरेंट्स से तो अच्छी खासी डांट पड़ती होगी।
नहीं, वो उन्होंने कभी मेरे को बोला नहीं कि क्यों कर रहे हो या ऐसे कुछ। दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव फॉर दिस थिंग।
काफी अच्छी बात है, आजकल बहुत कम पेरेंट्स होते हैं जो सपोर्टिव होते हैं।
यस, बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स बोलते थे कि अगर तेरे को फैशन डिजाइनिंग के लिए नहीं थी तो कॉमर्स में क्यों आया तू, ये वो।
बट कोई नहीं, देर आए दुरुस्त आए।
सही बात है।
जागो तभी सवेरा।
यस।
So you wanna ask him the second question? हाँ, तो the second question is which fashion style या category do you incline towards and why?
So basically, I'm inclined towards the Indian clothing, or you can say the ethnic category, because it has become a global trend nowadays. So many designers are working on Indian textiles and many more things like that. So yeah, I'm into Indian clothing. Designing
lehengas and sarees और ये सब। Yeah. हम जैसी लड़कियों like we die for all those kinds of things.
तो अभी हमने अपने व्यूअर्स को डिजाइन्स दिखाए थे थोड़ी देर पहले when we were introducing you, and like you have done really amazing job, और Instagram पे your feed looks really amazing, तो congratulations for your work.
और अभी recently you've introduced some new designs to the grid, so they're like really amazing.
Thank you. And you are also, guys, you are also doing very great job. I've seen so many of your videos and just it would just wow.
तो कौन सा फेवरेट है आपका अभी तक जो आपने देखे वीडियोस उसमें से?
This is a very tricky question by the way.
मेरा फेवरेट था जब आपने वो white Sabyasachi one, you were looking for white fabric.
अच्छा.
There was a wedding in your family, Ashmit's family. So yeah, she was completely right. Everyone is crazy about Sabyasachi today.
What do you think about his designs though?
I cannot say anything about his designs because it's just perfect.
So when you design a dress, so where do you look for inspiration? कि creatively बहुत कभी-कभी block आ जाता है, so you need something to inspire yourself to like create something new. So where do you go for inspiration?
Basically, inspiration can come from anywhere. Like I used to take inspiration from history books and poetries and nature, but an inspiration can come from anywhere. Like a zebra crossing may be your inspiration, and you can just create a very stunning outfit with that only. It's just how you conceptualize it and how you just transform your virtuality into reality. So it's just that. And inspiration can be anything, and inspiration is just a table just next to you, and anything can be your inspiration. It's just about your idea and creativity process.
तो अभी आपने जो डिजाइन पोस्ट करे हैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे, उसमें लिखा था इंस्पायर्ड बाय मुगल एरा और मुगल आर्ट. So how did that come about?
Actually, I was painting a miniature painting. So I've seen so many miniature arts in my like I have did so many miniature paintings. So I decided to do something with that. So that's why I've created an entire collection. So 2 more garments are going to be uploaded very soon on Instagram.
Wow. तो आपके हिसाब से what's the best part about being a fashion designer? What do you love about your job the most?
Fashion designing field is very detail oriented, I guess, and the most important thing that we do, we create employment for the others. Like we used to go to the craftsmen and the embroidery person and many more things like that. तो हम एक पूरा मतलब एक ग्रुप में काम करते हैं कि कोई हमसे बड़ा नहीं है, कोई हमसे छोटा नहीं है. We don't like कि क्योंकि अगर we designers used to design only. अगर टेलर नहीं है, we can't make that, we can't just construct that outfit. And if there is no craftsman,
नहीं हो पाएगा आइडिया.
if अगर कोई क्राफ्टमैन नहीं है तो हमारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी नहीं बन पाएगी. सो सबका अपना अपना रोल होता है, बिना एक के बिना तो कोई भी नहीं हो सकता. तो एक ये चेन है, अगर एक नहीं तो दूसरा तो है ही नहीं.
सही बात है.
So what are your favorite fabrics and your favorite patterns that you like to work with the most?
So my favorite fabric is organza because it is a very light material. I love that. I love working with that.
We love it too. Love organza.
मेरे college friends भी मुझको Mr. Organza करके बोलते हैं because I love to create something, everything with organza because it's a very light material. You can easily carry it anywhere. So I love organza. Despite I like chanderis and brocades, I also like the shine that they give, the look that they give. Yeah, organza is my personal favorite fabric.
So is there a pattern that you like, maybe chevron or some double prints or ajrak?
Yeah, the ikat and the chevron print and the floral prints. You see, florals are everywhere. Floral print is something that you can go for any season. It's just not that it go for the spring season, or it's just not that like it goes with the winter season only. So if it can go with anything, like if you're confused, we'll go for florals only.
Just talking about people जिनको knowledge नहीं होती बिल्कुल भी fashion designing की, तो अगर उनको कोई outfit design करना है या बनवाना है तो उनको कैसे like क्या steps उठाने चाहिए और कैसे कैसे जाना चाहिए?
So basically it is an entire process. We designer used to first take in collection, like I'm working on spring summer 2021 or like autumn winter 2020. So we have to take a season first. Then we have to go for research about the season, that which fabrics, which prints, which colors, and which all the things that are going to be in trend for the season. So a normal person can't do that because he can't access to the websites or anything like that. So they can basically go to the celebrities' outfits that they wore, or they can simply go to the Pinterest. Pinterest is just perfect for them.
Do you have clients coming to you and like showing you a picture और ऐसे बोलना मुझे ऐसा बनवाना है?
Yes, मैंने बोला उनको कि
कितना frustrating होता है
बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि उनको एक तो सीजन का हम सीजन के हिसाब से हम फैब्रिक्स लेते हैं. So अभी they can come, they just randomly come and then say हमें ये चाहिए, तो कैसे चाहिए ये उनको ये नहीं पता कि कब पहनना है, मतलब एनवायरनमेंट कैसा है क्या है. तो वो रैंडमली आके मुझे बोलते हैं कि हमें ऐसा चाहिए, तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि नहीं इस सीजन में ये है, तो या आई कैन मैनिपुलेट देम.
But you are not manipulating them, you are guiding them,
educating them also. Yeah. So अब जैसे कस्टमर्स की बात शुरू ही हुई है, तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी ने पिक्चर दिखाई हो एंड लाइक आपने दिखाई पिक्चर एंड ही वाज लाइक वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, और जब असली में बना तो वो इतना अच्छा नहीं था या उसे नहीं लगा?
Hopefully ऐसा तो अभी तक मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ है. It has never happened to me.
Good. Fingers crossed for future with you.
Yeah. So उनको basically finishing अच्छी होनी चाहिए, तो finishing है तो सब कुछ है.
तो अभी इतने सारे जैसे फैशन ट्रेंड्स चल रहे हैं, so what according to you is the best fashion trend right now?
See, sustainability is the best fashion trend right now. It's just everywhere, from a Indian brand to an international brand. Everyone is going crazy about sustainability, and I have also an entire collection of corporate kurtis in which I have incorporated the handloom fabrics, the natural dyes with beetroot and coffee. Wow. And yeah, I have done an entire collection with that only. So sustainability is everywhere. You can go to any store and they have an entire collection for the sustainability thing. So they can show you the designs that are just only nature friendly. So yeah, sustainability is the most trending factor right now.
We totally agree with you. Sustainability की बात आती है तो हम भी इतने खुश हो जाते हैं ना, क्योंकि everybody wants mother nature to survive and stay with us so that we can survive longer.
Sustainability वाले जितने भी ये जितने भी ड्रेस है या जो कुछ भी है, first of all they are very skin friendly. Anyone can wear it. So the main thing is that only. And
so who is your favorite designer? Guessing that it is Sabyasachi, but still asking you question.
Yeah, my favorite designer is Sabyasachi Mukherjee only.
Yeah. So what do you like the most in his design?
It's just he promotes our Indian heritage. It's just that he only styles if कुछ भी ऐसा हो कि मतलब हमें पसंद ना है, हम उसको इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, बट या वो उस चीज को निकाल के कर देते हैं, और वो सिर्फ मतलब that's just outstanding. So yeah, Sabyasachi Mukherjee is my favorite designer.
When did you get introduced to Sabyasachi's work for the first time?
When Mr. I was in 7th or 8th. So yeah.
That early?
Was it that NDTV show जिसमें वो आते हैं?
Band Baja Bride.
Band Baja Bride से.
Band Baja Bride. So yeah.
Yeah, same here. I used to love watching that.
But I think मैंने काफी late शुरू किया था. I was in 11th or 12th maybe.
And I think Ashmit is also crazy about Sabyasachi design.
बिल्कुल. Who isn't? Everybody is. Dream है to own a Sabyasachi outfit, like proper Indian.
Accessory भी चलेगी.
हाँ, कुछ भी Sabyasachi होना चाहिए. Belt भी चलेगी वो. तो एक थोड़ा टेक्निकल सा क्वेश्चन है. हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट ये जो पैंडेमिक है जो हमारी लाइफ्स को अफेक्ट कर रहा है, हाउ विल दिस चेंज द फैशन इंडस्ट्री एंड हाउ विल पीपल्स बाइंग हैबिट्स चेंज विद दिस,
एंड हाउ शुड ब्रांड्स चेंज देयर वेज ऑफ डीलिंग विद कस्टमर्स नाउ?
Pandemic has a very bad effect on the fashion industry because now customers are not willing to spend. So according to me, brands should just introduce some discount factors or something like that, जो उनके पास if पहले का है या फिर उनके गारमेंट सेल नहीं हो रहे, like अगर कोई 10,000 का पीस है या 12,000 का पीस है, जो वो अपना कॉस्ट पे दे सकते हैं, like 8,000 या 7,000 जो भी उनकी कॉस्ट है. So this is the only way, not the only way, but yeah, this is one of the way that they can increase their sale. And I'm also doing this thing that जो piece मेरे पास थे and they were not selling, so I'm also selling them at my cost only. So yeah, this pandemic has a very bad effect on the fashion industry.
So guys, we will link Shubham's Instagram account down in the description box below. Go check out his work and you'll love it absolutely. Like, it's something that you shouldn't miss.
And we're telling you by experience that he's always on Instagram, so you can DM it anytime, he'll reply essay.
The vibe is very comforting and everything.
Humble.
So humble. जाओ और ask him about his designs. Get something because you love it.
Yeah. We're gonna get. And one last question.
Yeah, this is very important for us.
Yeah.
What do you think about our style, being a designer and all the things that you watch on Instagram and also YouTube?
Yeah. I personally love your style, how you just pick out random things. Like I've seen your recent video, like you have styled a bandhani dupatta in many ways, and you guys are just doing great. You should go on and just keep it up, guys. You have just lovely idea process. You are just very good creativity. You can if I personally believe that if I will give you a random piece of cloth, you can just style it like ऐसे कुछ भी. So you are that much good in creativity.
High five. Thanks. Made our day.
Yeah, highlight of the day.
So Shubham, it was lovely to see you not in person but on Zoom call.
Yeah.
But actually seeing you and being able to talk to you face to face was very nice.
No, yaar, you are just perfect. I cannot ask anything. You are just perfect. So keep it up. Keep going.
Thank you so much. That was really lovely. Thank you. This was it.
Thank you for taking our time.
As soon as everything calms down, we are going on that market trip.
Yeah.
And it हमारी priority पे है, and make sure that you have it on your priority as well.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. All
Thank
the
you
best.
too.
Bye. So guys, this was it for today's video.
Hope you guys enjoyed it because हमें तो बहुत मजा आया शुभम से बात करके.
काफ़ी सही था. This was the first time we were talking to him through a video call. हमारी पहले कोई बात नहीं हुई. So it was like a fun interaction, and it sort of feels weird kind of when like you're talking to the person for the first time and they already kind of know you. So guys, before going on to somewhere else, do like the video and do share it with your friends जिनको fashion design pursue करनी है.
Or anyone who has an event coming up और जिसको कुछ खरीदना है, they can go ahead and contact Shubham and buy his stuff because it's A1.
Yeah, and I think he would also customize it for you और आपके लिए वो designs भी अलग से बनवा सकते हो आप अपनी पसंद के, or you can just take a photo and he can recreate those outfits for you. So we will be linking his Instagram in the description box down below.
So bye guys.
Bye.